When I first started out, I didn't really know what it was. And I got accepted at my developer position through having a bit of Power BI experience, having SharePoint experience, working a little bit with InfoPath. For the people that know, they know. But InfoPath is one of the predecessors of Power Apps, I think. And back then, I kind of rolled onto the Power Platform and I got started there. And then I was like, oh, well, I don't know what a Canvas app is. I don't know what a model-driven app is. How do I create a Power Automate flow? And I was just kind of thrown in the deep, like, hey, good luck. We have this internal client. They want to have this and that. Just start learning and start building. And I was like, okay, how? I didn't know what Power FX was. I didn't know low code, no code, all of the concepts. Where I actually got started is I did a app in a day training and a Power Automate in a day. And those are really good in-depth 8-hour trainings where they walk you through how to create a Canvas app, how to do a model-driven app. But even then, if you don't know what a Canvas app is, if you don't know what a model-driven app is, and you just go in blindly, and then you're like, okay, I'm doing this, but why am I actually doing this? How does all of this work? So what I actually recommend is, aside from those, because while they are awesome, they don't really explain what a Canvas app is. They just tell you how to build one. I would say to go through the Microsoft Learn path. So Microsoft Learn has a really good path on actually explaining what a Canvas app does, what the scope is, why you would want to build one. Same with a model-driven app, same with business process flows. But also there's videos out there. So the creator videos, for example, Lisa Crosbie has awesome beginner videos on model-driven apps. Shane Young is amazing with Power FX and really explaining why does something work the way that it works and how do you approach that. So that's kind of what I wish that I had when I first started.